Good afternoon, dear student. R. Mehta College of Science and C.L. Parikh College of Commerce, Palanpur. Become Semester 3 English Medium. Unit number 1 Valuation of Goodwill. Dear student, in our previous lectures, we calculate example number 11, and I hope you understand it. Example number 11. Then, after you have any problem or any query, please pass comment in my YouTube video. Today, friends, we will calculate example number 16. So I read the information related to our example. Uh, this is also super profit method example. So, friends, example number 16. The balance sheet of Sudama Limited as on 31st March 2012 is as under. Liability side 3012 percentage preference shares, each of rupees 100, 3 lakhs. 8,000 equity share, each of rupees 100, 8 lakhs. Share premium 1 lakh. Profit and loss account 1 lakh 50,000. General reserve 3 lakhs. 10% debenture 2 lakhs. Workmen's Workers profit sharing fund 40,000. Creditors 1 lakh 70,000. Prudent fund 1 lakh 50,000. Now this is the new point, proposed dividend. So friends, proposed dividend, the preference share 36,000, equity 1 lakh 4,000, total 1 lakh 40,000. Now asset side, goodwill 1 lakhs, land and building 6 lakhs, plant and machinery 8 lakhs, investment with 10% government securities into bracket investment of provident fund 1 lakh 50,000. 15 lakh, sorry, 15 percentage debenture of Bansi Limited, face value 1 lakh 90,000. Stock 3 lakhs. Debtors 1 lakh 80,000 minus bad debt reserve 10,000, outside 1 lakh 70,000. Cash and bank 80,000. Prepaid expense 30,000. Preliminary expense 30,000. Total both side 23 lakhs 50,000. Now additional information. So friends, the Nursery Limited wants to purchase the business considering the following information. Calculate the goodwill. Number 1, the market value of land and building is twice the book value. Means friends, our land and building is a twice the book value. So market value is twice to book value. Second, the plant and machinery require 20% depreciation. Number 3, the stock includes certain useless items costing rupees 40,000 having no scrap value. Means friends, we include 40,000 rupees stock, there is a no use, it is a useless, and if you want to sell there is a no any value, means ki zero. Is a not scrap value means no value. Scrap means पंगार कीमत है, it's no scrap value. So friends, is a new point. The stock includes certain useless, friends, useless items costing rupees 40,000 having no scrap value. Number 4, all the debtors are good, means solvent. Means friends, there is a no any bad debts reserve. Means we collect our bad debts reserve. So now all the debtors are solvent. Number 5, the profit into bracket before providing 50% tax of the last 3 years are as under. Friends, before tax. So calculate on the basis of weightage average. So 2009-10 9 lakhs, 10-11 12 lakhs, 11-12 14,000. The expected rate of return of company is 10%. Number 7, the goodwill of the company for this purpose is agreed to be valued at 3 years purchases of the super profit basis. So friends, we calculate this example super profit method. So friends, now start our calculation. So step number one, capital employed. So friends, we use these additional informations and to make the correction in value of assets and also in liabilities. So now first, the market value of land and building is twice the book value. So friends, now you can see in the balance sheet, land and building to 6 lakhs. So friends, twice, so 6 lakhs multiplied 2 is equal to 12 lakhs. So land and building 12 lakhs. Then after second point, the plant and machinery require 20% depreciation. So plant and machinery 8 lakhs. So friends, now you can see machinery 8 lakhs minus depreciation 20 percentage. So 8 lakhs multiplied 20 upon 100 is equal to 1 lakh 60,000. So now after depreciation the machinery value is 6 lakh 40,000. Then after investment, so friends, here is a two types of investment: trading investment and non-trading investment. So in our previous lectures I clear your concept about investment. So friends, provident fund. So friends, in our previous lectures I clear your concept about trade investment. So friends, when you make investment in provident fund, debenture seeking fund, and subsidiary companies shares. So friends, here you can see we invest 10% government security, but investment of provident fund. So friends, you can see in our liability side, provident fund 1 lakh 50,000, and we invest same amount 1 lakh 50,000. That means it is our trading investment. So now we include in our assets. So 10% government security 1 lakh 50,000. Then after friends, stock. So friends, in stock total value 3 lakhs, but there is one additional information. Okay, the stock includes certain useless items costing rupees 40,000 having no scrap value. Means we deduct the amount from our stock. So now you can see friends, stock 3 lakhs minus useless 40,000. So now the valuable stock is 2 lakh 60,000. Now then after debtors, so there is also additional information. All the debtors are good, means we receive bad debts reserve from our debtors. So now bad debts reserve is nil. So debtors is 1 lakh 80,000. Now then after cash and bank 80,000, prepaid expense 30,000. Okay friends, preliminary expense is our fictitious assets. So I humbly request you do not include in our assets. So now friends, make the total 25 lakhs 40,000. Now deduct the amount of total liability. So friends, on liability side, 10% debenture 2 lakhs, workman profit sharing fund 40,000, creditors 1 lakh 70,000, provident fund 1 lakh 50,000. So friends, you can see here debenture 2 lakhs, creditors 1 lakh 70,000, workman's profit sharing fund 40,000 and provident fund 1 lakh 50,000. Total 5 lakh 40,000. So now difference net assets 19 lakhs 80,000. Now again deduct the amount of preference share capital 3 lakhs. You can see in the balance sheet preference share capital 3 lakhs. So friends, now we deduct the amount 3 lakhs. And friends, in this example, there is a new point, proposed dividend. So friends, when we discuss our theories about super profit method, that time uh, I told about proposed dividend, and you can see in our theory lectures, when I prepare the table, then I note down the proposed dividend particulars. So friends, today we will see this type of example. So let's propose dividend preference share 36,000. So friends, you can see in balance sheet proposed dividend preference share 36,000. So now the remaining amount that called capital employed. So 16 lakh 44,000. So here friends we find out our step number 1 capital employed 16 lakh 44,000. Now step 2 expected profit. So friends for this we have rate of return. You can see in additional information 6 number, the expected rate of return of the company is 10 percentage. So friends capital employed multiply rate of return upon 100 so is equal to 16 lakh 44,000 multiply 10 upon 100 is equal to 1 lakh 64,400 rupees is our expected profit. Now step 3 average profit. So friend for this purpose in balance sheet or in additional information there is a given the information related to our profit but before tax. So now friends we note down in our table 2010 9 lakhs 11 12 lakhs and 12 14 lakhs. Now we give the weight. So 10 1 11 2 and 12 3. Now we make the multiplication profit multiply weight. So 9 lakhs 24 lakhs and 42 lakhs. Now total to weight total 6 lakhs and profit total 75 lakhs. Now find out weightage average profit. So friends 75 lakhs upon 6 is equal to 12 lakhs 50,000 is our weightage average profit. Now we find out average profit. So friends weightage average profit 12 lakhs 50,000 minus interest of investment which non-trading. So friends now again we are going on our balance sheet. So friends you can see here 15% debenture of Bansi Limited face value 1 lakh. So friends this is our non-trading investment. So friends we calculate the interest on non-trading investment. So 15% debenture Bansi Limited, the amount is 1 lakhs, percent is 15, multiply 100 is equal to 15,000. Now 12 lakh 15,000 minus 15,000, the remaining profit is 12 lakh 35,000. Now deduct the amount of tax. So in balance sheet you can see the tax rate is 50 percentage. Now we deduct the amount of tax 50 percentage 6 lakh 70,500. So profit after taxation 6 lakh 70,500. Then after friends preference share dividend. So there is a proposed dividend now we actually pay. So preference share dividend 3 lakhs multiplied 12 upon 100 36,000. So friend you can see 3,000 equity share 3,012 percentage preference shares each of rupees 100 3 lakhs yani 12 percentage preference share and amount is 3 lakhs. So friend 3 lakhs multiplied 12 upon 100 yani 36,000. So now the average profit is 5 lakhs 81,500. Step number 4 super profit. So super profit is equal to average profit minus expected profit. So is equal to 5 lakh 81,500 minus 1 lakh 64,400. Now the super profit is 4 lakh 17,100 rupees is our expected profit and our average profit. So now super profit is 4 lakh 7,100 rupees. Now in the last step goodwill super profit multiply number of purchase years. So our super profit is 4 lakh 70,100 multiply 3 because in our example in the last point the goodwill of the company for this purpose is agreed to be valued at 3 years purchases of the super profit basis. So friends so we take here 3. Now total 12 lakhs 51,300 rupees. Friends this is a very uh, simple example. Here is a 2 or 3 points is a new. So I choose this example and I hope you understand all the uh, points which are I explain. Then after you have any doubt or any query, so please note down in comment box. And if you like my teaching method, so please like my videos, share videos, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.